Welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add images into a circular shape and apply a zoom effect to highlight a specific area in Canva. This method also works for other shapes. First, let's go to Elements. In the search bar, type in Frames. Click on Frames. You'll see various shapes. I'll be selecting the circular shape. Just click and drag it into your project. You can resize the frame and position the frame. Now, let's go to Uploads to select the image. Click and drag the image into the frame. Double-click on the frame to adjust the image position within the frame. You can also adjust the zoom to select the target area. Use the grid for guidance. Other shapes will work the same way. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.